In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Paychex employee account. Whether you're new to Paychex or just need a refresher on the process, this guide will walk you through each step so you can access your employee information with ease. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Paychex. This will direct you to the Paychex website, which is the platform you'll need to access your employee account. Now that you've reached the Paychex homepage, take a moment to look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that button. This will take you to a page with various login options, as Paychex provides a range of services. From the list of login options, you'll want to focus on selecting the Paychex Oasis login. Oasis is the service dedicated to employee management and payroll, so it's the portal you'll need to enter to access your specific employee details. Clicking on this option will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Now, you'll be prompted to log in using your username and password. This is the key step where you need to ensure that your information is entered correctly. Your username is typically provided by your employer, so if you're unsure what it is, you might want to check with your HR department. Similarly, your password is something you set up when you first created your account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's usually a Forgot Password link that can guide you through the steps to reset it. Once you've entered your username and password, go ahead and click the Log In button. If your credentials are correct, you should now be logged into your Paychex employee account, where you can access all your employee-related information, like your payroll details, benefits, and any other resources your employer might have provided. And that's all there is to it. Logging into your Paychex employee account is a straightforward process. Remember to keep your login information secure and to log out after you've finished checking your details, especially if you're on a public or shared computer. Thank you for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide makes managing your employee information on Paychex easy and efficient.